Okay, so guys, I realized that this video already reached like the length that I planned for it, so I don't want to clog you all with so many information. That's why I said this first part of the video, this is just the beginning of a series of video to help you with your admission, to help you secure an admission in France. So this first part is just to show you how to choose your program, where to find it, how to choose your program, where to find it, how to know which program suits you, comparing like programs and prices. On the website you can see the price. So if you find out that you won't be able to afford it, go for the cheaper ones and everything. I'm still going to talk about universities that are cheap and everything, but basically, right from when you finish watching this video, these are the documents that you have to go and start preparing for your application. Application opens by October and runs till December, like end of the year. So you have enough time to go and start preparing this document. These are the documents that at least every average program to study in France is going to ask of you. So yeah, so the first thing is recommendation letter. So basically, you need to try to get in touch with your lecturers, or get in touch with your boss at work. You are going to be uploading these documents to the particular site, and I'm going to be doing a whole video on that, but let me tell you the documents that you need for. So recommendation letter, maximum of 2 or even more, but basically if you have only one recommendation letter, it's not a problem at all. This recommendation letter should be translated to French, or should be written in French if you are applying for a program that is entirely in French. So if you're applying for a program from the campusfrance.org, you know that your program most likely will be entirely in French if you are not doing a bilingual kind of program. Also, you need to secure your transcripts. Transcript is the most important of everything I'm going to mention today. You need to have your transcript, your academic, like your record. It's the academic record that they need to see that, okay, we can take these students because they've done this particular course, they've done this and this, it relates with the program. So get your transcript today if you have not gotten it, and also have your transcript translated to French. So mostly in my situation, Nigerian universities, the transcript is always in English, so have it translated. If you need a translator, I can link you with certified translators. I mean, I speak French, I can translate by myself, but that's not the point. The point is for you to for it to be translated by a certified translator with a stamp and everything. If you are watching this video, you are planning to study abroad and you don't have an international passport, that's not possible. So get an international passport. If your international passport has expired, renew it. Also, you need your CV, English CV, French CV. So you can make a duplicate of that English CV you have into French, or get a certified translator to translate your CV for you into French. You need to have your WAEC results as a Nigerian. So WAEC is West African Examination Council. So this WAEC result is what we use as an equivalent of the baccalaureate that the French people use. So I don't know if you are French, like Francophone, African, and you are watching this. I think you already have baccalaureate, so you don't need to look for WAEC. But in my situation, for Nigerians, we need WAEC, or I don't know if NECO works, but NECO is also nice. National Examination Council. That's like NECO. So you need to get your WAEC translated. Moving on. If you are going to be studying in France and you don't want a program taught in English, you need to get a DELF or DALF certificate. So what is DELF? DELF is like the diplôme d'études. It's just like an exam. All these international exams, if you want to travel to UK, they tell you to do IELTS, they tell you to do TOEFL, or like Cambridge English test. So the DALF is the French version of those type of exams, lots cheaper, and so the DELF is from A1 to B2. So try to have B1, B2, and for DELF is the advanced, which is C1, C2. So depending on the program, they could ask for B2, they could ask for C1, they could ask for, I don't think they ask for C2, but in some extreme situations they ask for a C2 in French. But in these situations, like that like I know people that their program on the website they said minimum of C1, and they had B2, and they applied for the program and they were chosen. So they might look at other things that make up your application. They might not really focus on the language aspect. So even if you have like B1, try to do the B2 before the application closes if it's possible, or just apply with what you have and wait to see how it unfolds. Luckily, most French universities like consider Nigeria as an English-speaking country, unlike the UK and the US that do not think that we speak English. Maybe they think we speak gibberish, I don't know. Anyways, so mostly it's not gonna be important for you to like do IELTS or do TOEFL or Cambridge exam to prove that you speak English, because they always say that if you're a native English, if your country is native English, just stick that it's your mother tongue. But in extreme situations, some programs can say no, blah blah blah, they need it, but normally it's not necessary. Also, you're going to need motivation letters for each of these programs that you're applying for. So like I said, for masters you can apply for a maximum of 7, and for degree, like bachelor's degree, you can apply for I think maximum of 5-6 programs. I'm not sure. So basically you need to have a motivation letter for these programs, and don't just use one motivation letter shabbily for everything. It might, especially when the programs don't relate, it might not make any sense. So for this, I'm going to be giving you sample motivation letters, 6 actually, or even 7 motivation letters that I used. I'm going to be putting it in another video so that you know how to draft your motivation letter, in accordance with your program. I hope I remember to make that video. Just remind me if I never make the video eventually. But basically, you need motivation letters. So start, trying to write. I just want to quickly chip this in. There are many people who ask me if I could review their motivation letters for them. Yeah, I'm going to be reviewing for a bunch of people, maybe 10 maximum, and I'm just going to choose randomly. So try to reach out to me if you want me to review your motivation letter for you. And there are some certain conditions. You must be following my channel, you must be following me on Instagram, and so many other things. Anyways, just let me know and I'll get back to you on that. I know people are also curious about like how much does it cost to study in France, how much is like for the bachelor's degree, for the master's degree, the doctorate degree, and the likes. So basically, initially, for bachelor's degree, it's just 170 euros. 170 euros in naira in my country is like 83,000 naira, not even up to 100,000 naira, not up to 100,000 naira, which is extremely cheap. But there are some universities, because there was this new law that was passed out, so for international students they decided to increase the money. So there are some universities that accepted that new law. So for those universities, you're going to be paying 2,770 euros per year. So for your licence, which is a bachelor's degree, you have 3 years. So normally for the universities that keep to the old price, it's 170. So 170 for 3 years, which is super cheap. And for the others, 2,770, which is extremely cheap too, because in the UK, Canada, US, you cannot pay anything less than, like, we are speaking in thousands per semester or something. So it's still okay. And for masters, for the universities that are like, they are still following the old pricing and everything, the old fees and everything, is 243 euros per year. You have 2 years masters, 243. Okay, and 243 in naira from where I come from is like, let's just say 200,000, which is extremely a dream come true. But for those universities that chose to accept that new law, you would be paying 3,770 euros per year. So for your 2 years masters, it's going to be like 6,000 ish, or 7,000, or even 8,000 ish. So please just do the conversion according to your own country, your own country. And for doctorate degree, it is 380 euros per year. So it's constant. And for engineering, like courses, engineering programs, it's 601 euros, which is like 300 Nigerian thousand, which is super cheap. I'm going to end this video here because if you leave me to keep talking, I'm going to say a lot of things. Anyways, the next video, probably not coming, not the next one, not the immediate next one, but one of the next videos, I'm going to be teaching you how you will upload all these documents that I just mentioned, how and where, and I'm just gonna be showing you everything like step by step. I'm going to be taking you through, I'm going to be helping you in every way I can. So let me know if you like this video. This video was actually supposed to be a live video, but things happen. Anyways, let me please give this video a big thumbs up, because if you give this video a thumbs up, it allows YouTube to like show more people my videos. So you are gonna be saving one person's life, someone's life, by just liking this video. Subscribe to the channel because you have nothing to lose. You are not gonna pay for it, nothing. It's even gonna do you a lot of things, because as I post videos like this, you'd be notified that, oh, this person has posted, and you have the choice of watching or not watching. So please subscribe to the channel if you have not subscribed, and please leave a comment below. You can ask me questions. Feel free to ask different questions about studying in France. I am coming, like my new content that I have already prepared for you guys. You're not ready at all. I have answers to all your questions. I have everything you need about studying in France. So please bombard me with your questions in the comment section, and you can also reach out to me on my Instagram handle at midenancy, or my Twitter handle at Oladoyin Nancy. I think Oladoyin Nancy 24, or just Oladoyin Nancy. Anyways, I'll put it on the screen. This is gonna be the end of the video. I hope you had a productive maybe 30 minutes. I don't know how long this video is gonna be when I edit, and I hope to see you in the next one. Please share this video with your aunts, with your uncle. Maybe they have kids that they want to study in France, or someone, that person that just comes to your mind right now. Share the video with the person. You are saving someone's life, just like I am saving. Okay, see you guys in the next one. Bye.